may naka-plot na po ba sa preparation ng Gilas for the FIBA Asia Cup?
Yes. So, I believe Game 7 of the PBA, the last date as of today is July 27. So, from July 27 to August 5th is the window of Coach Tim to prepare. Sa ngayon, he has decided not to compete in friendly tournaments outside of the country. We will be training here as a team, and then we'll probably leave around August 1 or August 2 to acclimatize ourselves in Jeddah in Saudi Arabia and be better prepared. But we'll probably play an exhibition game here para send off na rin ng fans. I think it would be nice for the fans to see Gilas play. We don't know who yet we are going to compete against. So that's going to be one tune-up game for us. And then when we get also to Jeddah, we will probably play one of the teams who come early.
Ma'am, Coach Tim mentioned na parang gusto pa niya sana ng mas maraming like days to prepare, like weekly.
I think kahit sino namang coach would want that. But Coach Tim is very aware of the situation that we are in. That's why he suggested going through Windows since last year. Kasi nagko-compile naman yung yung kanilang progress. It's not like we're back to zero on July 27. It's the same group of guys, so they've been together. It's more of reintroducing themselves to each other lang. So hopefully that plays out well for us.